Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zikana Kamila and I'm from group 3 and this is our topic 7. It's about error analysis, error analysis and interlanguage. And I'm gonna explain about from three books from our I learned. The first one is from Safil Truk 2006, and the second one is from Alice, that from 1997, I guess, and the last one is from Porter, starts from 1981. And in Cephal Stroke, that explain about CA, or constructive analysis. This is how we just know about just try to make a predicted and that have a compare the first language and between the second language. And but this predicted, it's have a limited because so many problem we cannot predict it, uh because the however the real mistake we cannot predict it. And after that, we know about AA, that's error analysis, that become more important between, yeah, that's more important between, that's more important, more than CA, because EA have a focus from EA focus from our mistake if we were learn. And and also we can show that's from our bad habit, but it's signs, natural signs from our process learner. And this mistake we can show that we know that from our ability, ability, and we just, and after that we gotta know about our s- our step from our learner something, and after that how we just test the idea from the new language. And from this, Celine can introduce us about the interlanguage, this is how we just know about system language, and that, and this is different between L1 or L2. And interlanguage have their own rules, and sometimes they can change, and sometimes they develop, and sometimes, and that we call the visualization. The second the second one is it's I'm gonna explain about the Alice theory. And Alice explained about um how we just purchase our second language from the many theory. And researchers explain about the when we learn about new language, it's from the behavior, and this is influence from behavioral psychology. And it's also have the impact from the Chomsky sides. He said like the inner ability the inner ability, it's also important to make the new rules in when we just learn the second language. And Alice said that how important input that's from our what we learn, what we read, and what we learn, and output is from what we produce in our process learner. It's also explained about our mistake, interlanguage, and also strategy, learn how we how our strategy learn in, it's like a practice, and also repeat something after we learn, like we repeat everything about after we learn about this theory like that. So the point is Alice show us about the learn the second language is so complicated, and how we just got the easier from this just interact with our environment and make ability from mind ability from our knowledge and our environment. In quarter in quarter point in quarter theory, it's show us how the how our mistake it's really impact our second language. It's really important to a lecturer and also the student. And the language is just about problem. I mean, the mistake it's just about the problem. We can we just fix it. But in quarter states, like the problem is really important, and that's really needed, because the from the mistake it from if we were make a mistake, it show us the step by step our knowledge about this about what we learn, like we learn about this language, and we know this is our this we know oh, I made a mistake in this step, like we just gotta improve that. And after that we just know how to build our new system language, like this is seems like how kids learn about their first language, and after and after and yeah, this is also about our science to develop our second language or our new language, and also the learners is not observe everything what we just learn or teacher just teach us about, but we just take something we just mean it to us, like that's a process we just called intake. So the from this from this third theory have the same thing, like we just got we just we can learn a second language or new language from not just from our mistake, but we can improve that um something important to our study, like the constructive analysis, and also error analysis, and also interlanguage that show us about how we learn it just make a new system between the first one and the second one. First language and second language. And that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.